Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, based on the popularity of the auction car videos that I've done so far, we have this, what is this, 2008? Yeah, 2008 Toyota 4Runner SR5, taking it on trade today. Obviously yet to be detailed. Matter of fact, still has the plates because, you know, these have been on here since years ago. But overall, the thing runs and drives. It's in pretty good shape. No major rust, which is kind of surprising to me. It's got a TPMS light, but you know, what doesn't have a TPMS light anymore? AC blows ice cold. How do you even work this? Up temp? Aha! Okay, and then fan. No. Ah, okay, it's different modes. That is peculiar, to say the least. Alright. Do believe this is a 4-liter, 6-cylinder. If I'm mistaken, I'm sorry. Other than some suspension clunks, this thing drives pretty darn well. It's got some get up. What is it, 158,000 miles on this thing? Could be worse. You know, I just realized this. This car was taken on trade today. These plates are invalid. I definitely should have put my dealer tag on this. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm an idiot. Please no cops. Please no cops. Doing 70 miles an hour in this thing, it's perfectly fine. This thing runs and drives great. Might need an alignment, whatever. You know, one of my favorite parts about my job is appraising cars and getting these kind of random cars in on trade. I put a sight unseen on this car and I was like, it's gonna come in, it's gonna be rough. This thing's clean. This thing's pretty darn clean. I didn't expect the AC to work. I didn't expect it to run and drive as well as this. And I expected a heck of a lot more rot. It's clean. You know, even all the dash lights work. This is just cool. This has that early... Oh, why is it... Oh, okay, there's the issue. It just darts to the left under braking. All right. That's nice. That makes me think there's something broken. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.